In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Kansas. Review Kansas requirements. Visit the Kansas Secretary of State website to understand the process for updating your LLC and changing their address. Obtain your current form. Use the Amendment of Article to Organization form to update or change your LLC's address in Kansas. Complete the form. Fill in your LLC's name, your old address, new address accurately, ensuring all the details currently match its record. Prepare the filing fee. Check the Kansas Secretary of State website for the current fee for filing or changing your LLC's address. Then prepare the payment to include your submission. Submit the form. File the completed form and fee online through the Kansas Business Center. You can even do it in person at the Secretary of State office. Update other records. After it is approved, update your new address with other businesses, the bank, IRS and more. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Kansas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.